Windows 11 lets apps reach your camera, microphone, contacts, and more by default. Here are the 6 privacy switches to turn off first. I'll do all 6 with you in under a minute. First up, camera access. I'll jump us straight to the camera page. Click the camera access switch to turn it off. Next, the microphone. Here's the microphone page. Click microphone access to turn it off. Now your account info, your name and account details. Click account info access to turn it off. Next, your contacts. Click contacts access to turn it off. Now your calendar. Click calendar access to turn it off. Last one, stop apps reading your notifications. Click notification access to turn it off. That's all 6. Your camera, microphone, account info, contacts, calendar, and notifications are now off limits to apps. If this helped, follow for a new Windows tip every single day.